Most people get this wrong. They think switching to a professional profile on X is complicated, but it's actually quick and straightforward. Doing this unlocks features like analytics, ads, and monetization tools. Here's exactly how to do it on mobile. First, open the X app and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines or your profile icon to access settings. Then select Settings and Privacy and tap Account. From here, choose Switch to Professional Account. Next, you'll be asked to pick your account type, business or creator. Business accounts are ideal for companies and organizations, while creator accounts are suited for influencers, content creators, and public figures. Choose the one that fits your goals. After that, you'll fill out your profile details like category, contact info, and website. This information helps followers know what you do and enables professional tools like analytics and promotional features. The surprising truth is how fast you can start using professional features. Once the switch is complete, you'll immediately gain access to content insights, follower analytics, and ad promotion tools. You can also explore monetization options if you qualify. If you ever want to switch back, it's just as easy. Go to the same settings menu and choose Switch Back to Personal Account. Your tweets, followers, and content remain intact. In conclusion, switching to a professional profile on X is simple, and it gives you access to powerful tools for growing your audience and managing your presence. Even if you're just starting, it's worth considering for long-term growth. Subscribe for more step-by-step social media tutorials to make the most of your X account and online presence.